I'm Dr. Hamza Murtaza. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with St. Peter's Orthopedics, and I specialize in adult reconstruction. Orthopedic surgery is basically bone and joints, the soft tissue all around the bones as well, so the ligaments, the tendons. We're not saving lives for the most part. We're giving quality of life back to patients. As I say, it's not the years in your life, but the life in those years, and it's nice to give the life in those years back to patients. We have this new clinic, and it's unique because everything is there. We have the offices are there, the imaging is there, pain management suites, the urgent care. It's a one-stop shop, if you will. We are extremely blessed to have a team of not just providers, but the doctors, the advanced practitioners, down to the MAs, the surgical technicians, the radiology technicians. Our goal is to make it the gold standard of orthopedic care in the region, to have its roots in deliberate and intentional patient care with the best outcomes. That translates into excellent patient care, and patients have access to everyone, not just the physicians, but if they have questions for the nurses are available. I couldn't be happier to be a part of this organization and this hospital system. This is an extension of the specialties that they already have, and adding the orthopedic branch just completes the system. There's no greater feeling to see a patient come in with a walker or a wheelchair, and over time you see them get out of a wheelchair and transition to a walker, then to a cane, and now they're walking independently. It has to be one of the more gratifying things there are to experience, in all honesty. That's the foundation of patient care.